What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, back with another great video for you today because in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can copy and paste ads and you can earn $150 in 1 hour. Yes, that's $150 in 1 hour, just copy and paste an ad. So if you got a phone, you got a laptop, or you have some connection to the internet, this is going to be a great video for you. So if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of this, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So yes, copy and paste, you can make 150 in 1 hour using this method. And for the people who take immediate action, this will work for it. This is not going to work for the people who just do something and they don't see instant results right away and then they give up, right? So if you're consistent, you're a hard worker, you're willing to put in the time and the effort, this video is going to be for you. So now that is out the way, let's jump right into the video right now. So if you like videos like this, hey, come on down here, show some love. This is my YouTube channel. I make videos all the time. And that way, every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. You're going to be notified and you're going to be ahead of your competition. So that way you can start making money right away. So yes, copy and paste. And this method, we're going to show you how it's done. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to head on over to Instagram. I already did my research already. I already searched. I already checked. And this strategy is going to be working for you. And the good thing that you can make passive income over and over again. The good thing about this method, it is worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world currently, this is going to be for you. Now, you probably see the hashtag Amazon FBA. And the reason why I was searching here on Amazon, well, on YouTube for Amazon stuff is because the method that I'm going to share. So this that I'm going to show you, there's so many different people posting stuff on Amazon consistently. All these people, they're either gurus or they're people who started out and they want to sell on Amazon. What's the biggest wholesaler right now in the world? Amazon. No comparison. There's other things out there that is crushing it. I know Amazon. Most people around the world knows Amazon. And that's why, because people want to sell on Amazon and there is so many competitions. You can be ahead of the game. You can always be stand out, and you could be the best of the best. But this is not about selling on Amazon. I'm not telling you to sell on Amazon. I'm not telling you to be an affiliate Amazon. Now, this method is very unique, and as I said, stay with me all the way to the end. Now, we're gonna go over to a website, and this website is called Jungle Scout. Now, what Jungle Scout is a website that they scout everything that is hot and that is trending on Amazon. So it's an all-in-one tool for selling on Amazon. So people who is looking to start a business on Amazon, want to go on Amazon and want to sell right away, and they don't know what type of product they need to do, this is the tool to do that. Now, here's the power about this tool. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be an affiliate of this tool. So we're going to now find people that is brand new or maybe who are already on Amazon and trying to find a way how to make more money. Now, this is a great tool right here, but not everybody knows about this. Most of you probably think that, well, people probably know about this tool already. No, they don't, because this tool is an amazing tool. And what you can do is just come down all the way down to the bottom and click on where it says affiliates. Once you go on affiliate right here, look, as you can see, I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. The side hustle that pays you, you can earn up to 150 for every referral that you do. So you're going to copy and paste ads and you're going to find people. And what we're going to do, we're going to make $150 every referral. So it's 100% commission on a monthly subscription. That's right. That is huge. So can you imagine if you have 10 people paying you 150 every single month? That's $1,500 right there in your pocket, money ready to be made. There's so much ways out there to make money. It's insane. So that's why I want to share this with you so you can go out there and you can crush it. So sign up for this affiliate program. If you're already an affiliate, which I know some of you don't, that this is where you'd sign in. But you could come on here and you could see, how it works. 100% commission from the first month. So the first month you make 100%, you know, to sign up, and then after that they're gonna, I don't know how much they're gonna give you, but it's still money, right? So you can click on here where it says get started. If you want to sign up, just come over here and you're going to join the program. You're going to share your link and you're going to get reward. So you're going to get a special link, and that special link is what we're going to copy and paste, and we're going to put it in multiple different areas, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, I'm going to share with you two ways that this is possible. As I said, the first way is on Instagram. You're going to find different people here on Instagram, but we're not going to cold message and, you know, trying to find people and message people all day long. We want to automate everything. So this particular app is called Post Early. So Post Early, if you come on here, you can see the different features that they have. So the pricing tab, it is free for one account. So if you want to use up to three, it's $3 a month. If you want to bump that up, if you want to get a little bit more professional and have 16, that's $15. 65 for premium, up to 75 accounts. So if you want to take it to the next level, feel free to pay for it. But if you're just starting out and you have no money, this is where you need to go. So sign up for it. You get the you can use the account, and then what you could do, you're gonna set it up. You set up your Instagram, and it's gonna start to engage on anything with Amazon FBA. So once you start Amazon FBA, you can then write a cool little note that you can copy and paste, and every time it goes into the comment section, you're not gonna spam, but it's gonna say, hey, great Instagram page, but I see that you do Amazon. Hey, would like to share some tips or ideas? You not want to pitch them right away. You want to at least have them reply back to you and all that. Or you could say, hey, great Instagram. I see you doing Amazon. You keep crushing it, man. Hey, you know, um, I would love to share something with you that can help you boost more sales inside of Amazon business. Something about that line. Just be creative, come up with ideas, and then you could share. Now, once you know, that's one way how you can copy and paste, and you can earn, you know, 150. And the next thing we want to do is we're gonna go over to Amazon. Now, this is the best method that you can do out of the two. So once you come on Amazon, there's already things on here. So you want to find what's trending, what is hot, and see, you know, how we could reach out to people. So you want to click on here, let's say the Star Wars Kindle, right? For example, and you never want to target the ones that out there, the ones that sell a lot of things, because if they're selling a lot, my friend, they ain't gonna respond. Like, look at this. They have over 2,398. You don't really want to target this person. So you want to scout, you want to find people with little to no review. There's hundreds of pages here on Amazon. So just flip through them, flip through them, flip through them. How you want to contact the seller? If you look down here, you'll see where it says, where is it? Okay, it's not on here. Okay, let me go with phones. All right, let's go phones under 80. Phones under 80. I'll click on this one. This one is a sponsored one. Now, if you look here, right, you see it's being sold by a specific person. Why is this thing not coming up? My bad. For some reason, it's just not. It is not showing for some reason. Let me find it. All right, so I just did a little quick research. So you want to find, let's say, you know, what is hot. And then when you come down here, you see where it says sold by, fulfilled by Amazon. So this is like Amazon fulfillment. So this person right here sold, you know, Deal Yard. He's got some ratings going on. Probably not the right person, but I just want to do this for example, so you can see. Now you click on Deal Yard, and what it's going to do, right, at the top right here, you will see where it says ask a question. Now you want to click on it, right? And you're going to sign in. You're going to ask a question. And, you know, question like, you know, how is, you know, how is the products going on Amazon for? I see that you're selling a lot, but I can also help you even sell more, right? I can you know, let you beat your competitions. So you want to talk with them, you want to reason with them, and then that's where you're going to share your link. You're going to share your link from Jungle Scout and say, hey, here's a great tool that I'm using right now to crush it on my Amazon. I just wanted to share with you. And then people are going to use it over and over again, and they're going to sign up. So just find these sellers, ask a question. That's all you have to do. And once you ask a question, then they'll reply to you. Some will reply and some won't. It's just business. So you just want to copy, paste, send, copy, paste, send, copy, paste, send, copy, paste, send. But don't send too many, just like anything else. I know most of you will send too many, and then you get banned and you say, well, I tried to do this and my account got banned. Don't try to get your account banned. Like this right here, right? This is a nice, cool blanket. This person sold by RSUS, ask a question. So you want to find the ones that are struggling, the ones that have not much sales and just starting out. So just flip through pages and pages and pages of Amazon and try to find the one that have 1 to no star. Hey, I would like to help you. I would like to help you boost your sales a little bit, and so you can see what the competition is doing, because this is what it does. This tool spies on sellers, and they tell you what is hot, what is trending, what's selling, what is not selling. So most people are selling stuff that is not hot right now. So this tool will help out. So I hope this video helped, and I just wanted to share that with you. So hey, copy and paste and start crushing the game. So like this video, subscribe, and if you're looking for a better way to make money online, if you want to see exactly what I'm doing, I highly recommend check out the first link in the description. I'll catch you on the next video. The name is Andre. Peace.